Good evening, I'm Alex Loroff. Bond is set at $1 million cash for the suspect accused of kidnapping a 15-year-old girl from her Holcomb area home, triggering an Amber Alert during the weekend. 22-year-old Trevor Blackburn from Tennessee appeared in Chippewa County Court today over video. He was arrested and taken into custody in Douglas County around 10 p.m. Sunday. The 15-year-old girl he's accused of kidnapping was found safe Sunday evening in Cornell. First News at 9's Kim Leadholm tells us what happened today in court.
22-year-old Trevor Blackburn is accused of traveling to the Holcomb area and taking a 15-year-old girl from her home. Chippewa County District Attorney Wade Newell says Blackburn was in contact with the girl for an ongoing period of time where he threatened and blackmailed her.
It became more and more threats and more blackmail that occurred as that progressed, which eventually led to the defendant coming here, crossing state lines to come here and abduct the 15-year-old.
Chippewa County Sheriff Jim Kowalczyk told WEAU Blackburn and the girl were communicating online, but the teen tried ending their connection. A criminal justice professor at UW-Eau Claire says it's common for teenagers to speak with others online, and it's important for parents to speak with their kids about those conversations.
It's important for parents to ask their kids questions about who they're interacting with online, and just sort of the common sense questions about what do you know about this person, how do you know that, is it purely a text-based relationship, or have there been images sent back and forth?
In addition to charges in Chippewa County, DA Newell says Blackburn could face a charge from the U.S. Attorney's Office.
It may be that the feds take the pre-abduction sort of behavior, and the state would take the abduction and the sexual assaults and the burglary that occurred here. But at least as of now, the state has jurisdiction to handle the sexual exploitation, the child pornography, the sexual blackmail, the kidnapping, the multiple counts of sexual assault, and burglary.
Newell says Blackburn admitted to the burglary, sexual blackmail, and sexual assaults. Blackburn is scheduled to be back in Chippewa County Court on Thursday. That's when formal charges are expected to be filed. In Chippewa Falls, Kim Leadholm, First News at 9.
Now, Passion says this incident can be used as a way for parents to talk to their children about online relationships. He says to be skeptical of online communication, and if something seems off, get help or talk to a trusted adult.